Hello guys, welcome to Just Imagine YouTube channel. So in this video series we are going to learn about software testing. So we will begin our class with a question: what is software testing? So this is the $1 billion question for all. Yes. Software testing is an activity to check whether the actual results match the expected result. See, what is this expected and actual result? See, before learning about this actual and expected result, so right now everything is digitalization. Wherever you take, whatever machine you take, in car there's a software, in laptop we use software, to launch a rocket we use software. See, to control any mission, see, we usually use softwares. So, and most of the people are familiar, they experience with the software failure. See, I will explain my experience in recent time, which I experienced with software failure. I use a Paytm application to recharge my mobiles. Okay, most of the times I use Paytm application. So when I was trying to recharge my mobile through Paytm application, I entered my mobile number and I selected my respective top up and I completed the payment. But here expected result is, your recharge is done, but what actually happened in this event is your recharge is failed. But okay, if the recharge is failed, okay, I don't even bother, but my money is deducted from the bank account, but it is showing your recharge is failed. So this is the my recent times of which I experienced with the software failure like this. Most of the people are familiar with software failures. So here, in testing, what we do is we match the actual and expected result. So as I told in the previous example, here expected result is after completion of payment your recharge is done, but what actually happened is your recharge is failed, but money is deducted from my bank account. So to eradicate this type of failures in the software, we compare actual and expected result. So why we are doing this type of, why we are doing testing and by comparing actual and expected, why we do? Because to ensure that our system is defect free. So after launching a software, okay, after delivering software to the client, how can you ensure that your software system is defect free? Yes, by doing software testing. So for all this process, what we do, we execute the software. Yes, we execute the software and it compares the actual results and expected result. So typically, so actual definition of software testing is executing a software with an intention to finding defects. See what is here, I also like that. Means, I also opens every software. That means I am also doing software testing. Now, see here, here the intention is the most important thing. For example, you open Flipkart website to purchase some groceries, some goods. Okay, you open Flipkart website for that purpose. But if you open Flipkart website to check whether add to cart module is working or not, whether login module is working or not, what happens if you enter some invalid username? So to examine, see, to know, to test the Flipkart website, if you open the that website, that means you are doing software website software testing. Okay, so you can do software testing in two ways. Okay, you can be either done in manually or using automation tools. So we are going to learn manual testing in coming videos. So automation also, I will going to start a new video series of selling, but that could be in future. Okay, so now, okay, we learned, okay, what is software testing. So we do software testing to claim that our system is defect free. But is it really important? Is it really important to claim that your software system is defect free? Why it is important? Okay, I'm not going to test my software. I have full confidence. I believe in my developers. So why is software testing is important? Yes, let us check it. Yes, testing is important because software bugs could be expensive or even dangerous, and software bugs can potentially cause monetary and human loss, and history is full of such examples. We will explore one by one example. In April 2015, Bloomberg terminal in London crashed due to software glitch, affected more than 3 lakh traders on financial markets and forced the government to postpone a £3 billion debt sale. You can see here. So software bugs could be potentially cause monetary loss. This is the best example. And another example you can see here, Nissan cars have to recall over 1 million cars from the market due to the software failure in the airbag sensor detectors. There has been reported 2 accidents due to the software failures. You can see here Nissan lost the goodwill and they have to recall the 4 million cars, that means monetary loss, as well as that due to this software failure 2 people were died in the accident. So human loss. So software bugs could be even expensive or even more dangerous. This is the best example, and this is the most example used to explain why software testing is important, because in this software bug failure nearly 264 innocent people were died in this, because China Airlines Bus A300 crashed due to a software bug on April 26, 1994. Yes. Okay, now we learned about, okay, is really needed software testing, because if it does not do software testing, there is chances to fail the software, and that failure that may cause expensive things, okay, that may be expensive in monetary loss, that may be cause human loss. Okay, so okay, now we decided to software testing. So in how many types we can test software? Yeah, yes, typically testing classified into three categories. One is functional testing. Yes, based upon the requirements of the client, we test the software on functionally. And another is non-functional testing, means usability. Okay, how it is working in different platforms. Okay, what how it is working when you change the system, like that. And a maintenance testing. Yeah, so we can see briefly about this type of testing. Yes, functional testing. In functional testing, we do unit testing. That means, see, in coming videos, we will learn about unit testing in detail. But for I will explain right now briefly. See, in software industry, software is not developed by individual person. Okay, units of person. Okay, group of people will develop units of work. Okay, in unit testing, you will test that unit module. Okay, for example, take banking application. In, see, client given requirement, you like login, transfer, mini statement, like that. They give modules. Okay, those modules were developed by individual person. Okay, so in testing, we check each individual module, that is unit testing. And integration testing, that means, for example, a person is developer login module, and another person developer balance module. So how they are integrated? Okay, when you are click the login button, how transfer is button is working or not, like that, how both were integrated perfectly or not, like that. We check integration testing. And user acceptance testing, by using some static techniques, we check the software. And when it comes to non-functional testing, we check the performance of the software and scalability, usability. Okay, and maintenance regression testing, means when the conditions were changed, when the environment is changed, how the software system is affected. Those type of things were checked in the regression testing. Okay guys, thanks for watching.